Here's a pair of the TOZO T10 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on your Amazon Fire TV, okay? So go to the home page here, this right here, you just click on the home button. Go here and you want to navigate to the settings icon all the way over there, that gear right there. Now from here, we're going to move down. And we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. From here, all the way down to other Bluetooth devices, select that. Now we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Okay, so once we connect these, it should show up over here. Okay, these are other earbuds that are paired to this TV or headphones too. Add Bluetooth devices, so we're going to select on that. Now, so it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these in pairing mode and they should pop up over here because it's still searching. So let's go and take the earbuds out of the case. As soon as you take them out, wait a few seconds. Okay, after a few seconds, if you see one of them blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, like it is right now, then it's in pairing mode. Okay, so just one of them. Okay, if it wasn't in pairing mode, or I couldn't get into pairing mode, or I was connected to a different phone, I could always turn off Bluetooth on the other phone, or I can always just factory reset these and manually put it back in the pairing mode. Anyway, we're in pairing mode now, and you can see the TOZO T10. It showed up right there, so we're going to go there. We're going to select that. It says pairing the device, and voila, we are now connected, ready to go. All right, so pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing, connecting, you can't get into pairing mode, whatnot, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for the link in the description area.